An ERP consultant is responsible for analyzing and collecting clients' requirements, designing the business process flow in the IT system, selecting solutions to meet the client's needs, usually using an ERP system, but also sometimes suggesting specialized software if the standard functionality will not meet the client's expectations. Where it is not possible to use standard solutions, the consultant formulates requirements for the necessary customization and draw up specifications for developers. The consultants participate in user trainings, assist clients during testing and using the system. An ERP consultant works in both technology and business. They give an overview of business processes of various companies and allow for the optimization with the use of technologies. Within our organization, you will additionally support both the sales and marketing department in the sales process and the creation of marketing materials and campaigns. Your responsibilities will also include giving presentations of the system to the rest of the team at the company. For more information, click the link below.